The TimberStrong fastener is an innovative solution to panelized decking, significantly faster than putting down decking board by board. The TimberStrong system reduces labor costs, reduces time on job sites, and improves the structural integrity and aesthetics of decking. Clients work with TimberStrong customer service to understand the project specifications and then panelize composite lumber decking according to those project specifications. The example in this video is of a dock builder who has received a pallet of panelized decking from TimberStrong to panelize their floating dock. As you can see, deck panels are unloaded by a single person from the pallet and laid out onto the aluminum frame of the dock, and then panels are clicked into place. Only a small amount of force is needed for the fastener to snap into position and to secure the decking. Then screws are inserted through the top of the TimberStrong fasteners between the deck panels and into the aluminum frame of the dock. The composite decking used by TimberStrong has a structural strength to be framed 24 inches on center, saving labor and material costs in the building of the aluminum dock frame. Additionally, this means less hardware and time to fasten the deck panels into the frame of the dock, and it reduces the number of stainless steel screws for this project by 50%. As you can see, it only takes approximately 20 minutes to panelize 128 square feet of decking. The TimberStrong fastening system reduces labor and material costs, minimizes the time on site for installation, and the hidden fastening system provides a long-term, safe experience for users against loose boards and nail pops. But what customers most love about the TimberStrong fastening system is the wow factor, a clean and elegant finished look that will impress all those who set foot on your decking project.